Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys tips and tricks on how to reset your TCL ROKU TV or just mainly ROKU TV. This one is the 43-inch 4K smart TV. So you're going to press the home button right here. And as you can see, we're at the home. You're going to scroll down to settings and either press the right arrow or just press the circle button to go in, and we're gonna scroll down to system, all the way down to system right here. You can press the button, the circle button or right arrow to go in, and this one is the 43-inch TCL ROKU TV. So you want to scroll down. In this one, if you want to enter your zip code, time, you want to go to advanced system settings. So the reason I'm doing this because we selling this TV. So in case somebody is going to come and buy it, you don't want your apps or existing app that goes with the new buyer, or else they could watch it or do something to your account. So right here is the factory reset, and I'm gonna press right arrow one more time. In case you just want to reset your TV audio picture setting, it says press play and pause, this one button right here, 3 times to reset all TV picture and audio setting to their original value. Roku account and install channel are not affected. So I'm just going to press it 3 times just to show you guys. 1, 2, 3. So it says reset TV setting. All TV specific settings have been reset to their original value. So you're going to press the circle button. And if you want to go to factory reset everything, it says, please enter code 4139 to reset everything to original factory setting and remove all accounts. So this is what I'm going to do if the buyer decide to come and purchase this TV, okay? Earlier it shows a different number, so I guess it regenerate each 4-digit number for you to reset it. So I'm going to see if I go back, it's going to change number. So we are home, go to setting again, and we're going to go to system, and we're going to go to advanced system settings, and then factory reset everything. See, it shows please enter code 5229 to reset everything to original factory settings and remove all accounts. So yeah, you regenerate those 4-digit code each time, so which is good. Anyway, that's just tips on how to factory reset if you are doing your audio only or reset everything. And right here you could also reset your network connection. Device connected, you could enable here or disable. Control by mobile apps. Network access, default, permissible or disable. Some people offer me lowball, so it's kind of dumb. Just the Roku sticks with the 4K, it's gonna cost you around like $50 unless it's on sale, Black Friday on sale, whatever, Cyber Monday sale. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.